Hello students, welcome to Shourab's classes. In this video we will be solving some past year questions of BBA and mainly we will be focusing on the general knowledge portion. So let's start with our first question in this video. So here the video is on the question of BBA and the question we have is Shaptanga theory of state, that is the theory of 7 limbs of the state, was propounded by which of these following? So first option is Kautilya in Arthashastra, option B is Manu in Manusmriti, or option C is Kalhana in Raja Tarangini, and option D is Banabhatta in Harshabhatcharitra. So here the 4 options have given and we have to find out the correct one. So the question was about the 7 limbs of state, that is the Shaptanga. So this Shaptanga theory in the ancient India is actually based on the 7 elements of Kautilya. So these 7 elements I would like to describe a little. So first one is Swamin, is W-A-M-I-N, Swamin. Second one is Amatya, A-M-A-T-Y-A, Amatya. Third element is our Janapada. Fourth element is Durga. Fifth one is Kosha. Sixth is our Danda. And the last one, that is the 7th element of Shaptanga, that is Mitra. So these are the 7 elements that is we call Shaptanga by Kautilya, according to Kautilya, and that is in the ancient Indian history. So here what does Swamin means? Swamin is the king, the lord, is said the king, that is called Swamin. Second one is Amatya, means the minister. Third one is Janapada. What is Janapada? Janapada is the land and the people. Land and people. And the next one is, fourth element is Durga. And Durga means the fortress. It means the fortress. So here the 5th one is Kosha, and that means the treasury. It means treasury. Then the next one is Danda, and that means the army, and the last one is Mitra, and that means allies. So here we have these 7 elements and that is called Shaptanga, and these are the 7 limbs of the state. So this is the answer. Now let's go to the options part. So our answer will be option A, that is Kautilya in Arthashastra. Option A will be our correct answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. If you have any query, you can comment us in the below section. Also, you can share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.